Welcome to our Python packaging tutorial. In this video, we'll learn how to use setup tools and Twine to create and distribute Python packages. You'll gain insights into the step-by-step process, making your packaging tasks easier. Python packaging can be complex and time-consuming. Many developers struggle with creating and distributing their packages. This is where setup tools and Twine come in, making the process easier and more secure. Setup tools is a collection of enhancements to the Python distutils that allow developers to more easily build, distribute, and install Python packages. Twine is a utility for interacting with PyPI. We'll use these tools to create and distribute our package. Now, let's create a basic package using setup tools and upload it to PyPI using Twine. We'll write a setup.py file, build our package, and then use Twine to securely upload it to PyPI. When packaging your Python project, it's essential to follow best practices. Make sure to include all necessary files. Write a clear and concise setup.py file, and test your package before uploading it to PyPI. That's it for this tutorial on Python packaging with setup tools and Twine. You now have the knowledge to create and distribute your own Python packages. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more Python tutorials and tips.